बहुत तालियां मारी, थोड़ा रोए भी, हंसे भी, and I think I should just get on to the point now, since so what I'll say is well played, and what an experience watching this film. मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, पिछले 2 साल से आप और मैं we have been discussing 83 and finally जिस एग्जाम के लिए आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे वो अब बाहर है और रिजल्ट भी आ गया है. How are you feeling as of now as the actor, and then we'll discuss it later. Baki aspects.
It's what I've been doing this for the last 10 years. I've never felt so good. I've never been so appreciated. I have never gotten so much love. The amount of messages and calls I've gotten, I didn't think that was ever possible to get those many messages and calls. It has just been so overwhelming. The love, I'm just grateful that I got to be part of this experience, part of making this film, part of being a part of this film, to work with Kabir sir, to work with all my actors, Ranveer, Jatin, Jeeva, Amy, Hardy, Nishant, Dinkar, Badri, Adina, Chirag, each and everybody, Pankaj sir. It's just been very, very overwhelming. I wake up with a smile, I sleep with a smile. It's like I've done something really, really good in life. It gives you that, you get slightly proud of what you've done. It just makes you slightly proud. And yeah, it's a good feeling.
I totally get that. And जैसे मैं कह रही थी, I was days short of my 11th birthday when India won the World Cup in 83. I have no recollection. मेरे को सिर्फ वो याद है कि Times of India में pictures थे Kapil Dev and the rest of the team India holding the Prudential Cup, and when they met Mrs. G. It's my 9-year-old brother who went through that experience. Oh, it's momentous. Now, years later, I'm sitting as an audience and watching something that I was part of, and I actually felt it. I was reliving those moments all over again. You know, वही हम लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं. I'm getting goosebumps as I'm saying. हम रो रहे हैं कि वो जो बीच के 2 matches lose हुए, you know, and then we are clapping as if it's happening in real time. And I just feel for a lot of people in the theater, for them it's a period film. It's part of something that happened before they were born, you know.
Yes.
मेरे जैसे कुछ बूढ़े बुजुर्ग बैठे हुए थे जिनने experience किया था. So, but then they came to you saying that you are going to be part of this movie. And the thing is, you're also post 83 born. आपका पहला reaction क्या था?
तो पहली चीज, ये फिल्म मेरे पास ही आई थी, मैं इस फिल्म की तरफ भागा था. And I remember reading there was a Bombay Times article which said Ranveer Singh as Kapil Dev in 83 movie to be directed by Kabir Khan. And as a cricket fanatic, as a cricket fan, I got really excited because I'm like, "Arey, itni achhi cheez pe on such a glorious chapter of history they're making a film." I was very happy. I was thinking about it, and then suddenly to myself I thought, "Ki, one second, who's Mohinder Amarnath in the film? He was the man of the match in the semi-finals. He's the man of the match in the finals. He, the vice captain of the team, the backbone of the team. Who's playing that?" I reached out to Kabir sir and I'm like, "I want to come meet you." He's like, "Aja." I went. I was having coffee with him. There was a 1983 book kept on the table. So I kept looking at the book, trying to think, how do I broach this topic? Should I just be direct? Should I just tell him I want to do this film? What is it? Because I get very nervous around these things. I sometimes feel like, "Arey, he knows me. He knows I'm an actor." But I'm like, no, if I want it, I should reach out for it. And I finally told him, I'm like, "Sir, what have you thought of Mohinder Amarnath? I'd love to play him in the film." And he sir had a smile on his face and he said, "Cricket khilna aata hai?" I'm like, "Sir, thoda thoda." I didn't oversell myself. I said, "Thoda thoda." So he's like, "Theek hai." We did a look test, which he liked. And then it was all about me trying to prove if I can play cricket or not. So I met Balwinder Singh Sandhu. He was the cricketing coach on the film. And the first ball I faced, I think I hit the best shot of my life. And Balwinder Singh Sandhu looked at me. He's like, "Tu jhoot bol raha hai na? Tu cricketer hai na?" And I go, "Haan sir, I've played cricket in life." So that's how the film happened. And I really wanted to be part of this film. Leave everything aside. This is just the most glorious chapter one of the most glorious chapters of Indian history, not only Indian cricket, but Indian history. This is that time when India came on the world map. Everybody thought of us as champions. We were called champions. We were celebrated. And so for me to be part of this film was very, very important. And I really, really wanted to work with Kabir Khan. I think I love his films. So it was just an amalgamation of a lot of things. And I'm like, Saqib, just go for it. This is a film that will be remembered. It's an important film to be part of and to play such an important role in the film. So yeah, it's like I said, it's just been overwhelming on these calls, and that validation from Jimmy sir when he gave me the red handkerchief. It just melted my heart. It melted my heart.
So I want to know, when Jimmy sir saw you playing him, and एक और चीज मैं कहना चाहती हूँ, you've lost so much of weight, and वो body language also you've got on point. You know,
I lost 14 kgs.
वही लग रहा है, because I have known.
I lost 14 kgs for the film. Yeah.
I was like, Saqib को क्या हुआ? Like, and then I saw Jimmy sir's pictures. I said, ये तो same है. And बहुत resemblance भी है. I mean, you're two very different looking people, but there I was like, this is Jimmy Amarnath. I want to ask, what did Jimmy sir say when he saw you playing him? And it's interesting that he's playing his father in the movie.
Imagine when I got to know that Jimmy sir is playing Lala Amarnath in the film, I got damn nervous. I'm like, there'll already be a Jimmy Amarnath in the film. People will look at the original and be like, yaar, ye ladka acha nahi kar raha. So I was very, very nervous, and I told Kabir sir about it. He's like, tu pagal ho gaya, aisa koi nahi sochta. Tu apna character अच्छे से कर, अपने character को पकड़ के चल, nothing else matters. And I was very, very nervous while doing that. And I remember I would keep asking him, sir, have you seen something? Has Kabir sir shown you anything? And he would always say कि नहीं यार, जब देखेंगे पूरी टीम साथ देखी. So अरे यार, ये तो इतनी पुरानी टीम है, आज भी साथ है, बताओ. So then suddenly then the whole premiere night came about, and I was very nervous, not for anything else. I knew I'd seen the film before. I knew the film was very good, but the nervousness was about what would the man think? How have I portrayed him? Am I good enough to be an Amarnath? That was the thought playing in my head. So I remember staring at him at the premiere from the sides, trying to gauge a reaction. Then I got very anxious. I just ran out of the theater. I'm like, let him watch the film in peace. I will die of anxiety. It's no fun for him or me. And as soon as the film got over, I came to see him. I just looked at him and I started crying. I just looked at him and I said, sir, sorry, koi galti ho gayi ho. I don't know. I don't know. It was just such an emotional moment. I started crying. He hugged me. He took out that red handkerchief and said, "Ye aaj se tera hai. Aaj tune mujhe 10 saal aur jawan kar diya." And I'm like, "Arey sir,
God,
sir, फिर जो गंगना जमुना बही है पूजा, फिर वो रुकी थोड़ी है, रात भर में रोता ही रहा खुशी से." It was just one of those overwhelming days.
Just like what Jimmy Amarnath felt when his father called him up during the semi-finals. I totally get you, Saqib. I could. एक और चीज मैंने observe की, मैं आपकी interviews भी सुन रही थी. You want to get that shoulder moment, you know, and I know you are somebody who's been working out hard. हम लोग जो workout करते हैं, shoulder stiff रहते हैं, वो flexibility नहीं रहती, you know. But what was the prep? Yeah, I mean, did you watch him, his body language? Did you watch replay of these matches? How was it? Did you speak to him before before prepping की कुछ nuances बताइए, कुछ
training had become like we were so involved in the training, all of us, not only me, all of us were so involved in the training that subconsciously also we were training. Like we would be just lazing in bed, and then randomly my phone would be out, and while just laying down, I'm just watching videos randomly, not making notes or anything, just making mental notes, just keep staring at things and looking at. I used to stare at his smiling pictures a lot because I'm like, I need to smile like him, and there is a specific shyness in his smile. I need to get that, and I'm a very different kind of a human being. People who know me, they're like, "Oh, dude, you are just the most aggressive human being that there is in the world, and look at who you're playing. He's the most calmest man in the world." So for me, I had to change my DNA from within. I'm like, okay, I need to start looking at things differently. I started meditating a lot. I'm like, okay, I need to get calmer. I need to be at peace. I started writing a journal. Wow. I started jotting down my notes. I think playing Jimmy Amarnath has made me a better person. I think it's gotten discipline in my life. It's gotten focus back in my life. It just made me a more complete person. I feel like I was all over the place. Sometimes when you're trying to play characters, you do those characters and then move on to some other things post that. But sometimes you play those characters, and while prepping for those characters add so much in your life that you want to imbibe those things. You start liking those things. So that is what has happened. I've played a man who's a legend, who's gotten glory to the country, who's gotten hit umpteen number of times by the West Indian bowlers, but I've always smiled back. So he's a freedom fighter of sorts for me. So I'm like, I'm getting to play him. I gotta be him. I gotta feel him. So all the training, after a point, we were training 24 hours subconsciously. We were watching videos. We were thinking about. I used to record myself a lot. I used to record myself like for that line, लाला जी कहते कि उन्होंने तूने आज मुझे 10 साल जवान कर दिया. That line I must have recorded some 500 takes. Wow. I would keep crying in my hotel room, thinking this is all I'll say. This is all I'll say to tell people what the relationship between me and my father is. That's the only line. If you see the film, there are phone calls between me and my father, but you never see the other side. If Lala ji is talking, he's only talking. If I am talking, I'm only talking. You never cut back. So you never get to build up that emotional moment between the father and son. And I always thought that line was the emotional crux between me and my father. So there was I still have some 500, 600 takes on my phone. And wow. So yeah, it was just so subconscious that we were so involved in the process that nothing else mattered. When we were there, it was like all we got to do is just be these people. Because when you're making a film like this, there was a time in the middle we started realizing this is something magical. Because things were just falling in place. And we were seeing at other co-actors also, right? We are also seeing what the other co-actor is doing and how much he's become a Yashpal. Like Jatin had become Yashpal for me. I was blown. Jiva was Chika for me. So once you start getting into that world, you start pushing yourself more. Subconsciously, you don't even realize. And you keep pushing yourself more, and then one day, all 11 of you are in complete sync, and suddenly there is magic. So I think that is what I've experienced on this film.
Totally. And another thing about this film that I really liked was it not only celebrates the victory of these 11, the underdogs who, brought glory to the country, also celebrates the spirit of sportsmanship, team spirit. Also the fact that to have conviction, what actually goes on in their mind, because आजकल तो आपको पता है आप क्रिकेटर रह चुके हो और आप एक्टर भी हो, bad performance, bad play cancel कर दो जी. This movie showed the angst, the worry that they also want to perform, but sometimes things don't go the way they want to. That's what appealed to me.
I asked Jimmy sir once. I'm like, sir, जब Malcolm Marshall bowling करता था, Michael Holding bowling करता था, तो दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होगा? And in his very shy style, he smiled at me. He's like, बेटा अगर दिमाग चलाने जाता ना, तब तक तो बॉल निकल जाती थी. इतना टाइम नहीं होता था. So what I realized about the man, that the man is about the basics. Yeah. And if I start imbibing that in my real life, I can imbibe his personality. And I only wanted to imbibe his personality because I'm like, I don't want to mimic him. I don't want to exactly start talking like him. No. I need to get his personality inside me. If I have that personality inside me, if I start thinking like how he thinks, then I'll be closer to him. So I just was fortunate. Yeah, I could spend so much time with him. I could ask him anything I wanted to. He took me to his sister's house in Dharamshala. I've really found memories spending time with him, and I will always have them close to my heart.
So they cry. And also, I mean, amazing the fact that you're a cricketer, apni muscle memory change karna from the way you play to the way he plays might have been a tough one, yeah?
A lot of unlearning had to happen. Because, like you said, I played cricket. I was a state level cricketer at one point. So I have this particular style of play, how I've played my game, and it's muscle memory, like you said. So the body reacts like that. And then suddenly when I had to play Amarnath, and I'm like, oh damn, how do I do this? Because the man has a very distinct style, from the way he stands, from the way his front foot opens up, how he goes on the back foot, how he hooks, how he square cuts. It's 100% different from how I do it. So first I had to unlearn what I knew. I started with picking up the bat again. It's like, this is how Amarnath would pick up his bat. So yeah, it was a lot of unlearning. And then I had Ballu sir with me, Balwinder Singh Sandhu, legend of a human being, great coach. He was with us through and through. He's helped me a lot. And then I had the man himself, Jimmy sir, came down for a couple of weeks to train with me, to show me exactly the smaller nuances, that how would he start his run up, how much of the shoulder swaying is good. So yeah, like I said, I was in a boot camp. It was actually, all of us felt like we were actually prepping to go play the World Cup. We were not prepping to make a film. When we were going to London, it felt like अभी हम World Cup खेलने जा रहे हैं. कैमरा होंगे, जैसे एक स्टेडियम में कैमरास होते हैं, वो हमें शूट कर लेंगे जैसे कर रहे हैं. बट हम तो क्रिकेट खेलने जा रहे हैं. हम एक टीम की पिक्चर बनाने जा रहे हैं. So that was the feeling from day one.
वो लग रहा था, and you know, when it's very interesting, as I told you, na, for me also it was theory, and I'm not a cricket fan. I'm one of those bystanders who cheers India when they win. और जब lose करते हैं तो I feel bad, वो थोड़े आंसू बहा के, but I'm not involved. But here you were clapping, and when they showed that interplay between the old and the new, and you were like, these guys, is it for me? You were Jimmy Amarnath. For me, Ranveer was Kapil Dev. And also, I like the dynamics between the captain and the vice captain. आजकल जमाने में कहते हैं ना, bromance was good. But I just want to tell you, what do you want people to take away from it? Because I feel bad the way a cricketer, it's a sport. This movie celebrates that team spirit, and also how sport bridges hearts, how it gets people together. And I think we need it now. What is it, after being part of this epic, what do you want people to take back here? I mean,
to celebrate these heroes. It was long due. If you ask me, 38 years to celebrate the most iconic win this country's ever seen, I think it was long due. And of course, there are people who know some of the cricketers, but some of the lesser known ones need the amount of love they deserve, because what they did is unimaginable. So I just want people to come and experience this story of triumph, to see that how India became world beaters, how India became champions, and just see a bunch of boys become men. It is a journey of these boys in a month's time, how they grow up, and now they are somebody they never thought they could be. They were planning to go with their wives to US after they lost the World Cup. They'd already planned this. This was the level of belief they had in themselves. So I think it's a beautiful underdog story, a beautiful human story. Of course, there's cricket, and cricket India loves, but I feel like what people don't know is what went behind that victory.
That's what I like.
What was the mindset, how the captain led them, how Kapil was, or how Jimmy was, or how Chika was, or how Sunil Gavaskar was. The conflict between Kapil Dev and Sunil Gavaskar is so much to the film. So I feel like people deserve to know this, because, like I said, it's the first time India came on the world map for me, or for the rest of the world, for that matter.
Totally, and it is, as I said, cricket is an emotion, and this was an emotive film. And if a non-cricket fan is console, I mean, I can't express myself, exhilarated watching this film. You can well imagine, जो cricket जिनके लिए who eat, breathe, sleep cricket, उनका क्या हाल होगा?
जब मैं पहली बार पिक्चर देख रहा था पूजा, मैं हर दूसरे मिनट में रो रहा था. Like I couldn't just stop. Like tears weren't stopping, because I'm also very close to the film, because I worked on it, but also because cricket means so much to me, and that 83 victory meant so much to me. I was playing Mohinder Amarnath, who's my father's favorite cricketer.
Wow.
So in the film also, Jimmy sir is trying to live up to the legacy his father has created, and wants to make his father proud. In real life, I just wanted to make my father proud by playing Jimmy Amarnath. So for me, this film has been a dream, yaar. मतलब मैं रोज सुबह उठता हूँ,
dad's reaction? Dad's reaction क्या था जब देखा?
Dad is ecstatic. He's so proud. He's calling his friends. He's like, देखा तुमने मेरे बेटे ने ये किया है. So all those things, these little victories in life is what pushes us more to do what we want to do. But I'm like I said, I'm just so happy and so grateful to play Jimmy Amarnath, to be in a film like 83 that celebrates Indian history the way it does. The reactions we are getting from the audiences, the claps, the whistles, I'm getting videos. I'm like, damn, man. There is God who's looking over us and who really wants people to see this film. So yeah, fingers crossed. Hope the film keeps doing well.
I'm sure it will, because the trailer aaya tha, my nephew is 12, he plays professional. My brother is one of those cricket fans. He was getting emotional watching the trailer. I was like, ab picture dekho to aansu bahenge, taaliyan aur seetiyan, everything happened. We had little kids, we had young people, and then we had the buzurg like me. We all enjoyed it. And thank you so much for bringing this to us.
Are you calling yourself a buzurg, yaar?
Are yaar, main 10 saal ki thi, mere saath sare post 83 wale baithe hue the yaar.
Look at
I know, पता नहीं चलता. I'm young as the Indian cricket team.
आपकी त्वचा से आपकी उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता.
Best है ना. Young at heart, yeah. So I mean, thank you so much, yeah, Saket. More power, and I also have been interacting with you so much. I see a change in you. मैं आपको कब से we have been chatting. I see a difference, Saket. So I guess.
Thank you. I hope it's for the better. I hope it's for the better.
Yeah. And what a film, yeah. Thank you for bringing 83 to us.
Thank you, Pooja. It's always lovely talking to you.
Likewise. Bye. And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mama. Happy New Year.
Bye. All right. Bye. Bye.